Recast, come on, join us.
Is it okay if I take a video by myself?
It's okay.
Ikut, come on.
Right.
Yeah, fucking Nick. Wow, there's so much people coming today.
Right? There's like, wow! This classroom is so crowded in one. This classroom is literally so crowded.
Imagine me.
Look at how noisy it is.
Imagine,
Right?
imagine Miss Narapi came and still just four of us. Basically private
I mean like,
thing.
hey, my first doesn't look in there.
Now, is that okay?
I guess it's fine because
I mean, because like,
there you go.
Yeah, he's not in our. He's not in my group, not your group, bro.
Is that on the most
Wait, bro.
most left? Your
Wow, wait.
Shut up, you. Hey, pelau. You here.
3 groups in one, everybody. Clap, clap. Who is sitting here, Lucy?
Wow.
Clap, clap.
I mean, it's
Will
okay.
Lucy come? Will Lucy come? Okay, she told us that she's on her way.
Even if Lucy came, it doesn't matter anyway.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
What matters because your group doesn't take only you guys. Basically, the only.
Actually, last week I didn't come. Did I come? Yeah. Do you want?
Yeah, all of them.
The moment I came,
They did.
Oh,
I mean, understandable. People probably probably because the weather.
yeah, true. So, basically, we're going to talk about like a
I'll touch you.
interaction hypothesis, feedback, and
Wow.
recast. Yay! Based on long interaction hypothesis is basically just the more you put an input about the language system to an individual, the more improved the use.
What's that?
Honestly, what?
Wait, what?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay, guys,
Maybe it's our
interaction
senior
hypothesis.
material.
Interaction hypothesis.
What is an
Is it allowed?
like
1981.
No, that's not
Simon
the
Lima.
study. Probably a senior from
What is-
yesterday or something like that.
Anyways,
Shut
anyways, interaction hypothesis is like when you're interacting with other people and you were like, oh my god, I should explain my
Hellometry
grammar all of a
example.
sudden. Did I say things
John
correctly?
Bennett
And then the other
Ramsey's
person was like, oh yeah, you said
Case.
something correctly.
Challenge
Blah, blah,
ball
blah.
for you.
That's where you gain the input.
Jack the Ripper, bro.
Basically, the same as less.
Wait,
Jack the
so that
Ripper.
means it counts as
Okay,
positive
okay.
feedback.
When it cover first
No,
two letters
that's-
written by the same
Interaction hypothesis is
person.
like the first step. The second one is positive and
Possible
negative.
connection to the
Ah.
person.
The first one is that, the second negative and positive feedback, and then lastly recast.
And that's where positive and negative
Yeah,
feedback
the way
is.
understand.
Positive feedback is like when you're saying something and the person says something. No one.
Let's say, I don't know.
Okay, now you can explain positive feedback.
So yeah, basically positive feedback is when we talk
Summary.
in language we want to learn, and our utterance, our grammar structure, and all of it are correct, good, and then we receive like compliment from our conversation partner. Basically, they praise our way of speaking, our correctness in the English, despite us being not fluent or maybe still on learning. That could boost our confidence and another one, confidence and I forgot another one, but basically boost our feeling, our confidence, our emotion.
So that means the negative feedback is the opposite of it.
Yeah.
Negative feedback is basically like when you're saying something wrong and the other person was like, hey,
Hey,
you said
this
that
one-
wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you take it. Yeah, explain because.
Request for my understanding.
Come on! You said your understanding. Your understanding does not
Oh my
matter.
god, it's getting
Okay. If it doesn't matter, I will leave.
No, explain what recast is.
Yeah.
My opinion request is when you have a conversation with someone and then maybe with your boyfriend.
Ah.
For example, a student teacher and then the student say something in incorrect way and then the teacher immediately say the good one. Wow.
Come on.
Wow. Why not today? That's 3 groups in one, everybody. 3 groups in one, guys.
Four.
Four? By the way, you can see yeah.
That's four group. Come on, join us. I mean,
Oh, when I go in here, there's no rain at all. What a hybrid, everybody. 3 groups in one, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, which group now in? I'm 2.
I'm.
Fuck you. I'm 4.
Four.
I'm 4 years old.
Which group?
I
Number?
am the youngest person ever.
Seven?
7.
6, 7.
And they have their own group, so
Oh, you guys are.
just leave them.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Just leave them.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. What's the recap again?
Let's spell again.
No.
Oh, okay.
I forgot what the recap is. No, you explain what recap is.
Because I forgot. Goal? I forgot. Goal?
So basically, recast is... So basically, recast is the next step of negative feedback. So when you
Yeah.
say something...
A type.
Fuck you! So when you say... That's even loud? To read it loud, it's
In
loud.
front of 3 cameras.
Yo, he said the N-word on camera
When did I say that?
a bunch of times now.
Never.
So basically, at the time of negative feedback, instead of the other person saying it's like, oh, it's wrong, it's really
Yeah.
wrong, the other person will say it like, will fix it.
Yeah.
Like for example, I may say he goes to school every day, and then Raga was like, hey, you're wrong.
No, not
It's
like that.
actually he goes to school every day.
No, I mean, oh yeah.
That's true. Because women are true.
What?
Am I considered a woman?
Is like
I don't
next
care.
step to
How can you not
back
talk
is,
against that?
Yeah, I don't care.
fix it.
Yeah. They fix it.
So that's it.
But compared to the regular negative feedback, where if we are wrong, like we spoke something and our grammar or maybe our vocabulary are wrong in the word we spoke, in negative feedback, they immediately correct. Stop. That part on this part you said is wrong. You need to fix it. Something like that. That's negative feedback. While recast,
Yeah,
one recast is when we have conversation with someone and then we accidentally basically accidentally spoke the wrong, like Tosa said,
Yeah.
he goes to school, but immediately our conversation partner does not like, but not in a way like negative feedback where
Yeah.
they like stop.
Stop
This
it.
one is bad. This one is wrong. They just he goes to school, and then we continue the conversation. But in our mind, we basically like be able to compare.
Yeah.
Input. We got the input and compare it with our word that he said is wrong, that he not actively said wrong, and then the word he gave us
How do we differentiate positive feedback is like, oh my god, you said it incorrectly.
Yeah.
You saw fluent with this language.
Your English is good.
Exactly, and then for recast, it's like, what's happening? Anyways, what's the conclusion?
Why did you do this to me, Habib?
What?
I'll touch you inappropriately. So, would you
Why did
enjoy?
you get a reference? Ooh.
Can you not, please?
You can.
So,
Podcast.
That's right, baby.
Our topic today is very short and simple. Just the what do you call it? The first one I forgot the name.
and feedback.
Feedback and yes, only 3 of those.
And thank you, goodbye.
What does it?
Nah,
Yeah, we're talking about it. What should we talk about?
I don't know. Our topic is very.
taga ka niyo please take over sa kasaan. So, quote here.
Oh, let me.
I think whatever was wrong with you.
Just say yes. She's autistic.
Okay.
She's a quote-unquote special person.
Oh, you are also special though.
How about let's open Ragas bag?
Hey, sure. Let's talk
Come on,
about
let's
this.
unboxing.
This is a breach on privacy.
I think there's a bomb in it because he's a terrorist.
Oh, they have
Raga, you're a terrorist. You're a terrorist.
I guess you are.
Sure, we can have a bomb
Probably.
what?
Fascist,
He's
terrorist,
a
or anything.
terrorist. Are you sure? He doesn't have any fun hurt yourself though?
I don't know, probably, yeah.
I think this thing will be bomb, but let's see. Then the first layer is same, and then the second layer is just the useless
Yeah, exactly.
paper.
Useless like your existence. So,
And then he got
oh, that's
everything.
my Biodo collection.
Really? if there is no dildo here,
If there is
what will happen to you? Wow.
I would like Bill and Bo. Raga. Do you like playing Bill and Bo? Head coming to Canada.
I mean, I enjoy.
Not a single person building a boat there, man.
Yeah, exactly. I built like male genitals.
Okay. Okay.
Wow.
Let's see. 4 girls in one.
Three group.
Three girls.
Yeah. Get it.
Just jump.
Fuck yeah. Okay, so do you know how to
Yeah, input, output, and then
No, what?
No, that's not the topic.
I mean, that is actually technically it is.
Technically, yeah, but
Technically
it's
it
supposed to
is.
be also with the next week because next week, next week is supposed to have like it's not a script or something. We're supposed to talk about our this week's topic and next week's topic because next week.
What?
what happened next week?
What?
What
happened? You find out earlier.
Yeah.
What?
I did. Oh yeah, I forgot.
You forgot already. Can you explain to us?
No, I'm not. I don't know. But now you are going to ask us.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
basically,
yeah.
this is my problem. Just an apple does this, and then my dog does that, and then we have
And then in the next week material, I
input also comes then.
Yeah.
It's like in the file, they also explain about input and output.
then the
Wow.
the theory.
Oh, the phone.
Output is like when you're acting.
Damn.
But that's how.
Can you explain all the material today?
From what I
Wow.
know, thank you. Why don't you explain?
I have already done.
Why don't you?
You have been.
Fine, let me explain it first.
Would you like to join us or join us? Wala.
Hey! How are you?
Another phone,
Wait,
please.
would you record your
Yeah, how should you even fit? How should you even fit? Because we're really full of it. No, he can
you can
Yes,
as long as his face are visible in his recording.
You remember our topics, right?
It's about the interaction.
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, the first one
Start
is
your recording first.
interaction of processes. So basically, the thing is also not about having a conversation towards someone. It's also basically asking if you're saying something right, if your grammar is right, or if your vocabulary is right. And here comes the next part, the next stage of interaction and message. It's basically feedback. Feedback, which is like positive and negative feedback. Positive is like when the other person basically respond a bit like, oh, your English is really good, or like, oh yeah, you said the right thing, or like your grammar is right. And then for the negative one, it's the opposite of positive. The negative one is basically saying like, oh, you're saying that thing wrong. You should say it like this. And then for recast is like another type of negative feedback. It's like when you're saying something wrong in a conversation, and then the person was like being a grammar police. They're like, oh, it's like he goes to school every day. He goes to school every day, and then they're continuing their conversation like nothing ever happened.
So that's something you get all the time when in class. The grammar police.
Oh yeah.
Actually, it's not good, but
So that's the entire thing.
I remember there's something like negotiating. Like the learners could actually have this part of negotiating.
oh yeah,
But
I did.
Yeah, there is.
I don't know.
That was when wait.
they negotiate the meaning of it, right?
Yeah.
For example, someone saying that, oh, actually the meaning of this is like that, and then the learner say,
Wait, no,
seriously,
but it's not this
actually
one. But it's not this. The meaning I believe is this.
kind of negotiate.
Yeah, negotiate.
What do you mean by this?
For example,
I will touch inappropriately.
Yeah.
I'm gonna touch you, little bro.
But like on either, it's basically saying like we have to learn interaction and classes.
Yeah.
And like
It's
have
like-
feedback. And then recast. Well, like on the page.
Wow.
Which
Yeah.
which
The pages that you have to read, that you have to read.
sorry.
There's a bunch of things. What? You're saying you're good.
So
That
What about you? You mind explaining to
Explaining
us what our topic is?
I think it comes from the input and because they can about
incorrect.
Is it input hypothesis like our very first topic we discussed?
yeah. And then interaction hypothesis is pointing that it's not only just about the input, it's also about the social interaction. Yeah. There's also positive and negative feedback. Stuff like that. Yeah.
That's the hypothesis.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Have you done the word? Have you done the word? Oh, I haven't done my word. Oh, yes.
Wait, so after this, are we supposed to go to China?
I have no
I don't know.
idea. I don't know. We're gonna start at 8 a.m. and at 4:30 p.m. It's like a whole day.
So do you think it's gonna pass?
Are going to go there? Or I mean, we already like crowded.
Fasting is
Wait, you can move, go. Really, bro? I mean, it's member. It's only people, the single person member group can join.
I'm already comfortable here.
Ah,
We can welcome him.
no.
No. We welcome you, but we don't welcome him.
Why? Why? Tell me
I
why.
just want to.
Tell me why.
I just want
I know the reason. Tell me why. Come on.
That's another one of my group.
we got
Our group is complete.
Our group are the only one that is from.
What kind of topics are you
Wait.
I don't.
So,
How do we
Bang Ibnu could
No,
join
I don't want to.
Tasmir and Manjon and those at the corner. Because we have another member here.
Yeah.
Goodbye. Bye.
Go back to your own country.
I know.
Yeah.
Racist.
Let me tell you about racist.
Damn. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Nah,
Explain.
This is the top.
Explain to us.
Just kidding. What have you learned about the material?
Give her time to breathe.
Yeah, what about
First, the race.
You are my slave. My costume and Rosa at our last performance was like a slave owner and it's great. Because Rosa was wearing this this jumpsuit and she's all dirty.
Like very, like, you know, very
Outfit. I was like, damn. Now that I think of it, we're like slave and slave owner.
Oh my god.
We should do a play about it. I think that is an important thing to put in a play. It is an important topic.
Let's see what Mr. Duke will say about that.
I think Mr. Duke will definitely like this.
I see.
Don't be racist.
Yes.
Yeah, I definitely. You need to follow your footsteps.
I am. Unfortunately, I have to be the slave owner. Unfortunately, guys.
Fortunately, you own it.
Unfortunately.
Fortunately.
Fortunately or unfortunately, are you happy with the information or are you dissatisfied?
I'm just happy that we're going to do a sensitive topic. Yes.
So
We haven't do.
So basically, fortunately.
Unfortunately.
Why unfortunately?
Unfortunately, I have to be the white people.
So basically, enjoy it.
Oh, so you hate being the white people.
Unfortunately, I have to be the white people.
Damn.
Wait, so I'm going to be the people of color.
I mean, like,
You strong.
I'm the whitest. I'm the whitest shade. The lightest shade.
I mean, to be honest with you, when you try to put your foundation on me, it feels like I'm turning white.
Oh well, we can work with that.
Yeah.
You should have wear a
What? Just for a symbolism. Yes.
symbolism. It's a military arm.
Symbolism of how racist they were.
So I'm going to end this.
What?
I'm going to end this.
Nah. Let them eat cake. Let them eat cake.
Okay. So, can you explain to us
You're black. And then having you're black.
Yeah, no.
You should have asked him to be this way. He's
Now
black.
he's going to be like the leader of the revolution.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's actually a big.
Like he's the one that's going, nah, I'm not going to listen to you anymore.
Unlike
Mr.
Oscar, so we need to have makeup here and a natural black skin.
So
Black
like,
with you. Black. B-L-L-A-C.
now if we're going to talk about the role, Rosa is going to be the slave. I'm like, yes, Mister, I'm going to pick it up, Mister. But him is going to be the one that fight back.
I'm done.
No! Wait, there's another one!
Go away. We already talked about it. Wait. Let's hurt. Mateo did not. I should not listen to our explanation of the material. Feedback.
Let him be.
Interaction hypothesis dengan encounter understanding and or the understood the reporting nature.
Oh, asking
Yeah,
for
asking
topic.
like what did you say or what did you get?
But did I say anything wrong?
What did you mean by that?
No, it's asking for clarification.
Yeah, asking for advice.
Advice like enough.
And then like what is
Confirm that we're talking about, confirm that we're right or something like, is it right that you say that?
like
The usage of
stop taking pictures.
the conversation partner.
Okay, so the first one is more like asking the listener about the topic. What do you mean by that? Are you talking about this thing? And then the second one is actually about the speaker itself. Yes. The third one.
Basically, when we use like, do you understand what I'm saying?
You get my point.
Yeah, you get my point.
Oh, okay. Our
Yeah, this how communication.
Wait, may I pull out? Check out my phone because I have no storage left, and I just have the feeling that we're going to do the presentation.
Yeah, we are going to. I mean,
So I want to clear my storage.
I think we should like leave the class first to get outside.
Okay then. No, it's okay.
Because it's not a lot to ask.
Okay, I just need to clear the storage.
Done.
and then provide the listener about their work.
Yeah, receiving information about our production of our work and life.
This one that is
Positive and negative.
negative, they feel that like the listener unacceptable.
Yeah, negative feedback is when like we talk, and then our the listener stop us and then tell us that maybe our pronunciation or maybe our structure or probably our work, and then they immediately tell us what is wrong and what is should have been correct. That is negative feedback. It's basically like oh, we learn about this. This is the wrong one. Then the next time we talk about it, we could already start use the mistake and the advice given by the teacher. Then the page positive. Positive is basically like when we talk in English or in our language we target language on learning is. Yeah, it's correct. The structure, grammar, and all of it. Basically, opposite of negative. We got it all correct, and then like the listener, like maybe praise our language, maybe we just started to learn, and they're like, wow, your English is good. That boosts our confidence, which is very important. And then, boost our confidence, which in turn cause our input to be much better on the make us much better on receiving input.
And then you can feedback how the listener notice gap the language
Yeah.
and
There's also negotiation that are living on a part of negative feedback. Because negotiation is when our listener says, oh, what you said is wrong. But then we thought that we negotiate. But when I learned about this one is the correct one. Basically, we negotiate with the listener about our understanding because we believe we are correct, while they also believe they are correct.
Oh, they can glow right now.
negotiation.
They can glow right now. Wonderful.
Okay. Now, it just is like a type of negative feedback, but it's basically when we have conversation with someone, and then we actually make a small, maybe a single noun we have got this or maybe something like that. And then the listener correct us, but only in a subtle way, only a little bit, which allow the conversation to keep on going. Maybe we chat with someone, maybe me with my friend are chatting about this something, and then we I said, he go tomorrow. That is a correct one. And then while I say that he go tomorrow, our friend joined it without talking, just said he goes tomorrow. Gila, ini kok hunting between my work, but only a brief before.
It's like the reformula.
Iya, reformula.
In my long life, when the listener say, cinema yesterday, and the teacher on native
Goes.
yeah, it's like the reformula, from the correct, there's the
But in a subtle way, in a way where it does not stop the conversation. And then because of doing that, when we learn, we basically gain the input from comparing our, like when we, from our word to their word, we compare it and we understood by just without actively asking what is the wrong one. We just briefly in our mind compare the wrong and the right, so that we which part from the subtle hint given by our listener. So, what about your storage? Is it okay? Your storage?
I think it's going to be okay. No. That has some storage now. So yeah.
That's why I think this material language is simple and we should just we should all maybe only between our group and
But unfortunately, you're not school.
only so it's going to be our group. Going to be our group. Fine, let's do it.
How many minutes is it?
It is very simple. The material is very simple. This is like great.
That's a very good.
Anyway, so what about
What about me?
It's a very
No bit. Even like the back of your palm.
and the rule free display name. And then later, pag single on the top, it was free within value. And then it was like, wow, free. It thought the current
It's not the slave going to be. I know what you're talking about.
when he thought free, he thought the money, the slave price will be free. And then suddenly everyone told me to this way.
I think you say free slave.
Free the slave.
Free the slave? No, free slave.
Free the slave. Free the slave. Slave what?
How do you think Terminal should make a play about slavery? Because now I'm intrigued. Like, bro, I have this one costume. It doesn't look like those kind of racist people. We have a lot of
There's a Zootopia too.
people in color.
Yes, people in color.
There's a second Zootopia.
Huh? Oh yeah, let's supposed to be the second one.
Yeah, the trailers are already out.
No, Zootopia is already
Wait, when are they out? I thought it was not yet out.
But the trailers like have been going around for a while.
Yeah.
I'm not really sure it's already.
But I mean, ideally, watching movies nowadays, probably like movie I watch is Jurassic World, the new one, and it's
CGI the storyline.
the storyline. The CGI is basically the usual Jurassic World, but the storyline is quite bad. They also like tries to what do you call the when movies show their sponsors?
BBL, I don't really.
But you know, right? Like the movie showcase their sponsor, maybe snack or maybe a drink. In the new Jurassic World movie, they like too much focusing on the marketing the sponsor. Which one of the reasons the dinosaur became released is because a TikTok snack causes a flame in a lockdown chamber. I don't even know how did it work.
Nah, they just made it sponsors.
That I think very better.
I think you're going to say it's because they just want the Jurassic Park hype. That's why they made another.
They want me high.
Hype, not really continuation. Stop doing gay stuff in public. Get a
You know about the new Transformer movie?
I kind of like
Action cinema.
this.
They're actually like genuinely. I was not expecting a very high quality story and the art style. When I first saw the movie, I probably going, it's probably be just one in a thousand movie like usual. And then I was basically changed my life. Master is one of the greatest.
I don't really watch it, but there's actually, of course, there's clip of it. The ending, they thought she goes
Probably pretty sad. Even the but satu ya dah. I feel bad. I mean, it's like when the childhood does that so bad, it's very important. The population what we saw. That's why we feel like same.
But the thing that actually made me sad is that like Power, it's actually a dead girl that her body
Being used by the demon.
the demon used her body, right?
The devil.
Imagine like she's actually a lost girl that got killed by someone. What if one of her family or someone that knows her saw her at the city right away? She's dead. And then she died the second time.
Angel Devil also died. They basically focus on a simple short, like 5-minute game video with Angel Devil. Most movies, anime movies now are really good.
Nah, it's very bad or very good.
Yeah, either very bad or very good. Very good. There's no in between.
Or they have good story with bad animation,
Ah.
or good animation with bad story.
Oh, ada Doraemon. Doraemon is very. If you watch Doraemon, you ready to cry. They all really, why do they really like it? Yeah, why do they really enjoy making sad ending? Oh, not really sad ending, but very sad at the end of the movie.
I think it's because like I don't know, they know that we already bond with Doraemon. Doraemon is all of us. It's not just Nobita's, it's ours.
Yeah.
So making him
Each
disappear.
movie have at least the ending gonna make us feel that, not feel but like sad in general. The little dragon that died, Nobita had this, the little dinosaur Nobita had this.
Nah, or like the story of the bell one,
Oh yeah, the bell one.
the museum, right? The museum
Which
heist.
Doraemon, which was something like the title.
I don't know. It's just like the one that Doraemon bell got stolen and then they have to go to this museum.
Yeah, I know. That's like, I just suddenly Nobita found it in his shoes.
It's actually fuck you.
But I have read a small in the manga, the ending of Doraemon. Doraemon suddenly became inactive, like broken something like that. But and then the Doraemon sister, itu kan the yellow robot cat thing, was trying to go to Nobita's timeline, but was stopped by the time police because the time police said it's something that impact the future. Doraemon is basically get like inactive. So Nobita became devastated. He tried to call Doraemon, but Doraemon is not active no matter what he does. Which Nobita, he was supposed to be the idiot of the class, right? In his class. He was supposed to be the weakling of the class. Because of Doraemon's inactivity, he became he learned, he became the top one in class and became top one in some high school.
He became successful, right?
Yeah, successful. Giant Sumeo and that Denji was quite happy with some Doraemon because Doraemon not too dead. Basically, Doraemon became disappeared. They like he lived without saying anything, even though I mean actually Doraemon was like in Nobita's room, but inactive. The ending, Nobita became a very smart like inventor, scientist, something like that. And then he created Doraemon in like a specific one Doraemon where while the others have ear, one Doraemon have not no ear, but like the kind of tail and a broken voice. And then like he planned to make that this Doraemon fall into the time machine and then travel back in time, which was his Doraemon, which that is inactive. Became like
And then it changed his future again.
yeah.
Doraemon becomes not like something so bad. It's whenever it's future again. And then we will have the Nobita version that was instead by me.
Yeah, that's my
You're so
insane time machine. Absolute name. Wallahi.
Unless they're here.
Better late than never.
Keep yourself safe.
You should keep yourself safe. Lock yourself now. Your life worth. You deserve.
You should out yourself. You should out.
Lock yourself now.
Make love with yourself now.
Success! Success! transfer. Wait, what time is it? What time is it?
8:16, sorry.
Okay, then we should end the video.
What is our interview?
Wait, really? Is that for real? Okay, you're forward. Done.
Your presentation will be based on your video. Thank you, sir.
I'm a online girl, sir. Not like all members. I'm just alone.
Our interview presentation.
Wait, so we have to go to the seminar.
Next week, we will ask two group, different material. One material this week, one material next week. Our interview presentation will be postponed until next week.
Okay, so we should end the video.
Yeah, we should